Good morning, Year 3. Here is the lesson input for Lesson 2 of our length topic. We're going to start with some sticky knowledge first. So we've got some addition and subtraction questions here that you need to put in column addition and column subtraction. We've got some multiplication questions, so we're going to use the method that we've been practicing to solve the following. So we've got 29 times 4. We'll do the first one together and then you can pause the video and have a go at the last two. 9 times 4 will be 36, if counting my 4 times table. And then I've got 2 tens times 4. So I'm going to put my 0 here. 2 tens times 4 will be 8. Add those two together. 6 add 0 is 6. 3 add 8 tens is 11 tens. 29 times 4 is 116. Okay. And then I've got multiplying and dividing by 10. So if I draw my hundreds, tens and ones grid again. Got 43, 4 tens and 3 ones. Multiplying by 10, my digits are going to get bigger. So 4 tens would become 4 hundreds. 3 ones would become 3 tens, and then we would put a 0 in the ones column as a place value holder. So 43 times 10 would be 430. When we are dividing by 10, our digits are going to get smaller. So if we've got 860 divided by 10, 6 tens becomes 6 ones. 800s become 8 tens. So 860 divided by 10 would be 86. See if you can have a go at the others. Then we've got some division questions. And I know there was a few of you that struggled with the division method that was taught last week, but we really need to keep giving it a go to see if we can get there. So we've got 93 divided by 3. Notice how my 93 is here and the number I'm dividing by is on the outside. So how many 3's go into 9? We know that 9 is in the 3 times table, so we can count in 3's. 3, 6, 9. That would be 3 3's, make 9. Put a 0 in my ones column and multiply these two numbers. Okay, so we're going to multiply those two. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then I'm going to subtract 90 from 93. So 3 take away 0 is 3. 9 take away 9 is 0, which leaves me with just 3. So how many 3's go into 3? Which would be 1, which I'm going to put up here. 93 divided by 3 is 31. Okay, let's try one more and then you can try the last one on your own. So we will do 96 divided by 8. And then you can have a go at 52 divided by 4. So again, I'm going to write 96 divided by 8. Okay, how many 8's go into 9? 9 isn't in the 8 times table, but we know that 8 is. Okay, and 1 8 goes into 8. So we've got 1 up here, 0 in my ones column. Multiply these two numbers. So times those two numbers. 8 times 1 is 8. So I'm going to put 8 in my tens column underneath 96. And then I'm going to subtract those two numbers. So we've got 6 take away 0 is 6. 9 take away 8 is 1, which leaves me with 16. Now we know 16 is in the 8 times table. So how many 8's go to 16? 8, 16, that would be 2. So 96 divided by 8 would be 12. So, and then we're going to take 16 away to check if we have any remainders. 6 take away 6 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. Okay, have a go at 52 divided by 4. Okay, so again, we're looking at writing length in centimetres this time. So what is Ravi's height in centimetres? So here it is pointing to 135. It's not very clear, but it's 135. Okay, so we use a tape measure to measure Ravi's height. So we've got 1 metre is 35 centimetres. And we know that in 1 metre, there are 100 centimetres. It's really important that we remember that for us to be able to convert it. So we've got 1 metre equals 100 centimetres. So then we're going to partition this. So we've got 1 metre or 100 centimetres because that is the same. And then 35 centimetres left. So to convert that into centimetres, that would be 135 centimetres. And then it will ask you 1 metre 35 centimetres equal 100 centimetres, add 35 centimetres, which is Ravi's height. Okay. So again, remember 100 centimetres equals 1 metre. So if we have 1 metre and 65 centimetres for Elliot's line, we're going to write 1 metre up here and 65 centimetres. Okay, and then we're going to partition it. So 1 metre would go here, and then 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. Okay, so same as 100 centimetres, and then here we will have 65 centimetres left. So I'll write that in this box. 65 centimetres. And to convert all of that into centimetres, that would give us 165 centimetres. Okay, so 165 centimetres. So we converted that from metres into centimetres. And then Lulu's line is 1 metre, 9 centimetres. So again, we're going to put that at the top of our grid. So then 1 metre would be the same as 100 centimetres, with 9 centimetres left over. Okay, so if there's 100 centimetres in 1 metre, converting all of that would be 109 centimetres. So Lulu's line is 109 centimetres long. Okay, and then you've got to convert, in your workbook, you'll have to convert the following from metres to centimetres. So if you've got 3 metres and 65 centimetres, I'm going to write my key up here that I need to remember 100 centimetres equals 1 metre. So 3 metres and 65 centimetres would become 365 centimetres. 2 metres 9 centimetres would become 209 centimetres. Because 200 centimetres would be the same as 2 metres. 199 centimetres, 1 metre 99 centimetres would become 199 centimetres. Okay, for your guided practice, you need to see how tall is each person in centimetres. So if they've got a height that's in metres, so they're all in metres, you need to convert that into centimetres. Okay, so 1 metre 40 centimetres would be 140 centimetres. 1 metre would be 100 centimetres. See if you can convert Elliot and Ruby's height into centimetres. Once you've done that, you are working on pages 144 to 145, which will be worksheet 2. If there are any issues, please send us a message on Dojo and we will get back to you. Enjoy the rest of your day.